Hello, today we will guide you through how to schedule an Outlook meeting directly in Zoom. To get started, open Outlook in your web browser and make sure you're on the Mail page. This is the main landing area for many users, so if you begin there, that's perfectly fine. From the Mail screen, look to the top left and click on Calendar. This switches you from your inbox into your scheduling workspace, where you can create meetings, events, and appointments. If Outlook takes a moment to load the calendar view, just wait until the page fully updates before moving on. Once you're in the calendar, click the New dropdown. This menu gives you different options for what you want to create. From that list, choose Event. Selecting Event opens the event creation window, where you'll build the meeting details and connect it with Zoom. In the event window, find the App option. This is where Outlook lets you add supported integrations directly into your calendar event. Click on the App area, then select Zoom from the available choices. After that, click Add a Zoom meeting. This is the key step that inserts Zoom meeting details into the Outlook event automatically, helping you avoid creating the meeting separately in another tab. After the Zoom meeting has been added, enter a name for the event. Choose a clear meeting title so attendees immediately understand the purpose of the session when they see it on their calendars. A descriptive title can also make the event easier to find later. Next, enter the attendees for the meeting. Add the people who should receive the invitation so Outlook can send them the event along with the Zoom meeting information. Be careful to enter the correct recipients before sending, especially if the meeting includes multiple participants. At this stage, you've successfully created the foundation of an Outlook event that includes a Zoom meeting directly within it. As a helpful reminder, it's always a good idea to quickly review the event details before finalizing anything, just to make sure the meeting title and attendee list are correct and that the Zoom option has been added properly. Using this workflow can save time and keep your scheduling organized, since both the calendar invite and the Zoom meeting are managed in one place. It's especially useful if you regularly coordinate meetings through Outlook and want a smoother way to include virtual meeting access. That's how to schedule an Outlook meeting directly in Zoom.